Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Landsat 8 bands or available bands uh, each separately, okay? And you shall find all of them in their full numbers. So feel free to follow up on our YouTube channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. So the first thing we are going just to scope our area of interest. So at the search criteria, you shall find the geocoder. Ensure it is GNIS. Then for the next step here, to select our area of interest at this point here, you will find this dialog table here. Ensure it is S3 world imagery. Then go to your area of interest. Then make a click, a click, a click, and maybe this is the last click here. So the next thing it is to set. So these are the four points that I've made our area of interest. You can add as many as possible. You can now set the start date. Let's say, for example, the month of October, date 1st, 2024. You can just type. Then the month of October, 30th, 2024. Okay, that is for my case. Then I shall choose a cloud cover of maybe, let's say 40. Then I shall hit on datasets. So in the datasets, I need the datasat. So for the datasat, you are going to use, you can use either level 1 or level 2, but level 1 has more checked data or successive data. So for our case, let's use this one here. Then you can hit on results. The results, you should have logged in to get the results. Okay, so I shall just log in. I shall input my username and password. Then I shall sign in. If it does not have an account, please reach on the link below that I have just shown you how to create a Usgs account. So we need this one here, so I can now hit on the results. Okay, so for the results, you can just put on the footprints, or you can use the show browser overlay. This one here, you will see how the feature appears in Usgs, or your output feature, how it will appear. Okay, you can either use a footprint or you use the overlay feature here. So you can see, for example, this one here is overlaying almost full area of interest. Let's visualize another one. Okay, I think this one now has overlaid a full area of interest. Let's see. Okay, this let's assume that this feature here satisfies our need. Okay, so we shall just need to download it by hitting at the download button. You can download even two. This one here also, and this one here. Okay, I mean, you can download these two and you can mosaic them using GIS softwares for your better output. Okay, so we are going to hit, let's assume that this here satisfies our need. So I shall just hit on download button here. Then you are asked to add feature to bulk, download all features now, or select files. Okay, so for our case, I'm going to select files. So you can see these all files here are selected. But for our case, we need bad 1 to bad 11 for our study maybe. So I shall deselect all or select all, then I shall deselect which I does not need. Okay, then I shall click on download or selected now. Okay, then you shall agree on the prompts from the USGS by hitting OK, then checking on this point and ensuring the prompts can come once. Okay, so you can see that more tabs here have been added to download each and every bird separately. Ensure you are in a better connection, please. Okay, you can just visualize them here. So let us resume. If you find some that has failed, you can just resume. And ensure that your connection is better, not as mine. So in a better connection, you shall just find all your bands are fully downloaded, and that is how you can reach them to your download button in your folders. That was all for today. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have learned something. Goodbye.